So I'm opening this up to see our flames inside of there. You can see that they are nice and blue. All right, that's what we want to see. We don't want to see anything orange, fluttering. All right. Go ahead and test out the sensors. Good. Good. All right. And this is our flame sensor in here. That's working fine. All right. That's good. All right. Switch. The switch is good. All right. So it looks our sensors are all doing good. Pressure switch is good. Pilot's good. Inducer motor is looking good as well. Control board is doing its job, and the blower motor doesn't look like it's overheating, so we're looking good so far.